person that does not like getting water in your ears because then you have that weird feeling for hours, I'm Hannah with WTI and I have a solution for you. These are custom moldable silicone earplugs by Peace and Quiet. What makes these so much different than regular hard earplugs is how soft they are. They're like little pillows. You can divide one into two different pieces, so you really can design these to fit in many different size ear canals, whether it's a full grown man all the way to a kid. Each pillow can easily be divided in half, and so out of this one package, you basically get 1,000 uses. So it's going to last a really long time, but the box has a magnetic close with plastic over it, and so they stay fresh. It also comes with these cute little carrying cases, so you can take them with you on the go, whether you're going to the pool or on vacation, and you will always have them handy. So if you're wanting to protect your ears without the headache of all those traditional earplugs, these are exactly what you need. But that's just my point of view.